What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're going to do our unboxing for our December 2022 company, Miami Beard Co. So, let's dig into this and see what we have for the month. So, stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So, like I said in the beginning, this is our unboxing for our December 22 Year of the Beard Company, Miami Beard Company. So, this is a pretty big package. Don't know what we have in here, but we're going to dig in and see what we have for the month of December. If you're unfamiliar, Year of the Beard, 12 companies, 12 months. Each company gets their own months. Only their products go in my beard for that month. So, for the month of December, these are the only beard products that I'm going to be using, is whatever's in this bag. So, let's get into it. We're going to be using the Gerber Air Ranger to get into this. I did a review of this knife. If you're interested, I will have a card up top. You can go check it out. So, I know this has a little tear spot, but what's the fun in that? Right? All right, let's see. Oh, there we go. All right, let's see what we have. Let's get that put back up. I can already smell something. Ooh, what we got? We got a t-shirt, it looks like. Miami Beard Co. Check that out. The palm trees, the beard. Oh yeah, that's a nice shirt. I like that. All right, let's see what we have in here. Bunch of oil. All right, so we got some oils. All right, get that out of the way. So we got bracelet, Miami Beard Co. Go ahead and get one of these on. Got sticker. Another sticker. Got logo sticker, 2 of those. Got Blue Collar Boys sticker. And then we've got some business cards. Miami Beard Co. Owned by Victor. So we've got that and a website and a QR code on the back. I really like these business cards. I try to comment on them as we get business cards and comment, but these are well laid out. I like that it's got your website, your Instagram handle, your email, and then on the back side you've got hashtag and QR code, which is really nice touch. Everybody likes having those QR codes, so really cool. So I'm gonna fast forward. No, we're not gonna fast forward. We're just gonna. All right, so we've got them packaged up with 2 bottles per bubble wrap. Let's get these, and then we're gonna do some first impressions. We are gonna fast forward because some of these have shrink wrap. So, bear with me, I'll come back when they're all open. So. All right, we are back. So we have got 2, 4, 6, 8 bottles of beard oil that we're gonna talk about this month. Now, what that means for you guys, and I guess that's what it means for me, is there's gonna be a lot of updates. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do these updates with 8 bottles of oil. Do I wanna do 1 update per scent, or do I wanna roll some in together? So we'll figure all that out. That's kind of for me to figure out, you just to watch and enjoy. So the first one we're gonna look at is Blue Collar Boys. It's got a blue bottle, dropper top. Let's see, we have ingredients. We've got ingredients. We've got avocado oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, meadow foam seed oil, rice bran oil, vitamin E, biotin oil, and fragrance oil. And my question, which we will have to look into, see if all the carriers are the same across the board. Normally, if they're not, I try to group them. So I try to put the ones that are the same kind of together, wear them together like back to back, and then the ones that are not, that are also together, whatever. You understand, you get it. So blue collar boys, I'm not gonna look at the scent profile. We're gonna give it a shake. There's actually scent profile on here. So let's see. So we got kind of a clear oil. Let's see. Ooh. I get leather. That's what I get. Hits me in the nose, smells amazing. I get leather. What else is in this? Leather, grapefruit, cedar, musk, and other essential oils. So there's blue collar boys. Put that in there. Next we have Tranquilo E Tropical. This one has a gold top with a white dropper. Check that out. I probably butchered the name of it too, but that one's subtle. That one's very subtle. I'm sure that'll change when I warm it up. What do we have here on scent profile? Pina Colada, Night Air, and Ocean Breeze. So, let's see. We've got 305 OG. Another one with kind of with a clear bottle and the gold and the white dropper. See ingredients. They look kind of the same. Might be one or two variations. Like I said, I'll have to look into that myself. Ooh, what is that? Something smells really good in there. Oh man, what is that? Orange. That was what I picked up mainly. Orange, rosemary, tea tree, and cedar wood. So I know it wasn't just regular orange. There was some other stuff in there. That one smells really good. 305 OG. All right, what else we got? Oh, we've got an unscented. Let's see. Sometimes they're not always unscented. So that one's unscented. So the bottle, our logo, it's got their Miami Beard Co. logo on there with some palm trees, beach in the background. Miami Beard Co. Vice City. Check that label out. Look at that. All right. It's a matte black bottle. Ooh, that's fresh. That smells clean. That's a clean scent. Melon, white musk, passion fruit, sage, and other essential oils. That is like, to me, that's almost a clean scent. It smells really clean, really fresh. And that, of course, could change when we get it warmed up and get it in our beard, but just straight out of the bottle. Next we have Jingle Beard. So I'm guessing this one's maybe gonna be a Christmassy scent. Let's see. What is that? That smells really good. Peppermint? Is that peppermint? Peppermint, sage, cotton, musk, and mountain rain. That smells really, really good. All right. El Bori. All right, another clear one with a gold dropper. Give it a shake. The only thing I don't like about the gold tops is there's not any grip on there. So if you have oil on your hands, it does make it hard to screw them back on or even unscrew them. But, oh, that's vanilla. That is vanilla. Vanilla and toasted coconut. That smells really good. All right, so our last one is Cali 8. So check out this label. I see some coffee beans. I see some coffee beans. I know what that means. All right, guys, before we even use this, you come back and check out what I had to say about quality and how it does in my beard. That is a coffee scent. Roasted coffee and vanilla beans. There you go. So we've got a bunch to use this month, so make sure to stay tuned. Have you ever used Miami Beard Company? If you have, drop it in the comments, let me know. I'll go ahead and have a link to them in the description. You can get down there and check them out. So yeah, if you got any questions, drop them in the comments. Make sure to hit subscribe, make sure to hit that bell so you're notified when new videos drop, because we're going to be doing some updates. Got to figure out how we're going to do them, but that's what we're going to be doing coming up throughout the month of December. So stay tuned. And that's all I've got. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.